we have started the cross product method of solving linear equation in two variables, and we have solved a lot of questions, okay, using the cross product method. I just want to tell you where we have solved yesterday. The questionnaires are here. You may see these questions we have solved yesterday. Okay, this is called the cross product method. In the cross product method, we use here the equations. We write down the equations here as before you this. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. These questions we already have solved, and up that further we check them whether they have the unique solutions, many solution, no solution. Means simply the solution begins from the writing coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2. We found here a1 by a2, we found here b1 by b2, and c1, c2 also here. Right now, if the solution is unique, here the solution is unique. You may see this, the first ratio, that is called a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Right now, then we speak this is the unique solution. Clear? And if there is unique solution, the method of finding this, we write down the value of x n. Okay. In case of x, right, we will write down b1 by b1 b2, c1 c2, and in case of y, we will write c1 c2, a1 a2. It means this we actually make the denominator of the x, we just can understand. Okay. Three ratios are there called the direction ratios are here. The some ratios we take here. So, the denominator of the x ratio is taken as omitting the coefficient of x, and denominator of the y ratios taken as omitting the y ratio, y coefficients. Okay. And in the case of minus 1, this is the constant term. The c1 and c2 means the coefficient or constant terms are omitted. Clear? He has taken a1 a2 and he has taken b1 by b2. Is that clear? This is, and we have solved this question also. You may say this is what here? Tell me please. Unique solution is having, yeah, it's a 2 by 3, and later what is that? 1 by 2. So, first two ratio is not equal here. If the first ratio is not equal, then what we can understand here? Obviously, this will have the unique solution. Clear, guys? Now, further see the next, please. Later, this is that. You may see this question is what saying here. So, here the condition is what given here for infinitely many solution. Is giving infinitely many solution. We have solved this question in this manner. Okay, means the condition is already well declared that the system of solutions is having infinitely many solutions. So, what are the conditions? What is the conditions for infinitely many solution? For the many solutions, it is written as the all ratios are here equal. It means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. You may see this is all the three ratios are here equal right now. So, we taken the ratios are equal here, and for the 2 we have taken at a time, second 2 we have at a time, and we solved here this. Okay, and we obtain the value of a and b. Is that clear, guys? So, some more questions are to be discussed here in the same, right? But the next question is there. The next question is there, for what value of k, for what value of k, for what value of k following pair of equation have no solution. So, what is the meaning for no solution? Obviously, for the no solution, yesterday I gave as home assignment this question. Okay. So, what you will write for no solution? You have to note down first the equation. Is that clear? First equations to be noted here, and then equations to be taken as, I am telling this, what is this? First you have to note the equations, okay, and this equation for no solution is saying here. Okay, guys. So, for what no solution? So, I am telling this for no solution. So, what you will note down is this for no solution, for no solution. What is the condition of no solution? Please tell me. The condition for no solution is what? Yes, condition for no solution is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. This is no solution. Pair of equation have no solution. Clear? For no solution. So, what is that here? Are the equations given in standard form? The standard form of equation is a1x, b1y, and c1 is equal to 0. However, c is at here to the right hand side. Okay, you may see this is okay. So, we will take this as a, what we can speak here. This we will take as a c minus 1 will be taken as, okay, right. Now, next is what is saying the next? a1 by a2. So, a1 is what? 3 here, and this word here 2k minus 1. Next is what? 1, and B2 is what? K minus 1, and is not equal to C1 is what? Minus 1, and this is what here? Minus of 2k plus 1. Why minus of this is to be taken is because this term is made up of the two quantities here. Okay, so it's a this is to be taken as, so taken 2 at a time, 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1, and cross multiplication, it's a 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Okay, and now subtract this kk, here k will hear this, and transfer to that minus 1 plus 3. What shall be it is? Plus 2k. Is that clear? You may see this k is equal to 2. So k coming here too, clear? Or also here has to be taken is 1 by k minus 1 is equal to, it's not equal to minus 1, minus minus cancel can be there. Okay, so I am writing this 2k plus 1, and this is 1 by k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k 2k plus 1. So it shall be 2k plus 1 is equal to k minus 1, and here will what? K, and this is will be transfer here. This is not equal to, will remember please, it's a minus 2. So what this is saying here, what the questioner is asking, please read the question. It's saying for what value of k. So listen guys, for what value of k, it means that in the place of k, if you will put k is equal to minus 2, k is not equal to minus 2, means k should not be equal to minus 2, k can be 2 here. If the k will be 2 here, understand, try to understand, k is equal to 2, then this ratio will exist here, means this will not equal. If, is that clear or not? Means for k is equal to minus 2, you can also put here the 2 is to be put here, this, is that clear? I am talking about 2. So it's a 2 is equal to, what is minus 1 by, minus minus cancel here, is that clear? If minus minus cancel, 1 divided 2 2s are 4, 4 and plus 1. What is it here? What is coming here? 1 by 5. So in the place of k, in the place here you k to put here, this k, k 2 minus 1. So here 1 is coming here. You may see this is what coming here. So for the k is equal to 2, this ratio will not come equal. Is that clear? So well understood you? What is the method of solving question this? Okay, now see the word problems are here. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find solutions if there exist by algebraic method. What is the meaning the algebraic method? Means any method, elimination method, substitution method, or the cross product method. I think which method do you like most here? Yes, the cross product method. So we are using here the cross product method. Okay, so first your task is to make the equation. We first have to make the equation. First we have to make the equation. Is that clear guys? Please read the question very carefully. A part of monthly hostel charge, okay, this is the question. However, this I gave as home assignment. So is there any doubt in that question here? Part of monthly income charge fixed? Yes, I am constituting the equation. You will solve this question. Is that clear guys? Right now. So have a look this, what the question is. What the questioner is saying here, I am telling this. Please look. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed, and the remaining depend on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Okay, it means that the charge of hostel including food, what is that? Remaining depends on the number of days one has taken the food in the mess. Means a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed. Means there are total charges actually hostel charge and mess charges also. Okay, mess charge and the hostel charge. Clear? Two things are mess charge and hostel charge. However, both are unknown here. What is giving here? So when a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000, and whereas the other student B who takes food for 26 days, rupees paid what? 1180. But what is the question? Find the fixed charge and the cost of per day. So what the variable you have to suppose, the question declares in itself. Right now you read the carefully the last line of the question. It just actually declares what is to be supposed here. So what the last line is saying, please tell me. The last line saying here, find the What is it saying here? Find the fixed charge and the charge per day. Is that clear, guys? So technique of solving, solution number 1. So what is that? Find the fixed charge. So you will suppose let the fixed charge. What is fixed charge here? Rupees X is to be supposed there. Okay, rupees X. Okay, and next is what is charge per day. The charge per day. Per day means what? Charge per day means food per day. Charge for food per day. How much is rupees? Rupees Y is there. Clear, guys? So how the hostel charge is to be made here? Obviously hostel charge will be made here. Fixed charge plus mess charge. Clear? So what is the case first is saying? Case 1. Please read the case 1. A student A takes food for 20 days and she has to pay rupees 1000. So what is it saying? Partly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days he has. So how the hostel charge is there? So you will write the a student, okay, has taken what? Food for how many days? Please tell me. 20 days. For 20 days. ... The things to be written by you. It's up to you whether you have to write or not here. So symbolically what will write? It's a fixed charge, hostel charge plus 20 days. Per day charge is what here? 20 into Y. Rupees 20 per day charges. How much she has paid here? 1000. This is equation 1 be achieved. Clear? Now second case. Similarly, what the second case is saying here? The second case is saying here, student B has taken 20, obviously. Student B has taken food for how many days? 20 days. Food for 20 days. That is further to be written here. What can be written is means fixed charge he has to pay and 20. How many days? 26 days. It's 26, not 20. 26 Y is equal to how much she has paid? 1180. This is the second condition we have achieved. Clear? Now you have two equation 1 and equation 2. Is it saying to solve this by cross product method? No. He is saying by algebraic method. So you can use here elimination method. You can use here cross product method. You can use here the substitution method. Which method do you like most? Most of the student uses the elimination method. So you can solve this by elimination method. So here not to be mentioned here. What the elimination method? Obviously you want to eliminate the x. So subtracting equation 1 from 2. X cancel. 26 minus 20 6 times y. 1180 minus 1000 180. Y will come here. So it very simple here. By equation second minus equation first. So it's x plus 26y is equal to 1180, or it's x 20y is equal to 1000. What will be? Negative, negative and negative. So it shall cancels here. 6y will be there, or it's 180. So y is equal to what? 180 by 6. What will it is? 30. So y is coming here rupees 30. So substitute y is equal to 30 in equation. What is the equation? Please tell me. Equation second or first in any? So x plus 20, or it's a 30 is equal to 1000. And after solving you can obtain the, so what will it is? 2 3s are what here? 600, or it's a 1000. Clear? So x is equal to what will it is? 400. You will write down the answer, your answer. So hostel charge, you write down here this, and the mess charge per day. This is the method of writing answers. Is that clear, guys? So what method is to be employed by you? The method you want to solve here with the question, it depends on you. Which method do you like most here? Is that clear? And the length of solution is also before you. Okay guys, well understood you? Now I am solving here the second question. A fraction becomes 1/3. Simply, so a fraction becomes 1/3 when 1 is subtracted. So find a fraction. It's saying find a fraction. So fraction is made up of numerator and denominator. So you will suppose numerator is x and denominator is y. So your fraction is x by y. What the first case? Fraction become 1/3. Fraction become 1/3. So fraction become 1/3 means this become 1/3 when 1 is subtracted from the denominator. When 1 is subtracted from the denominator is -1. So what the first case is? The first x by -1 is equal to 1/3. From this you will obtain a relation equation. What equation will here this, please tell me? It shall be 3x and what next is equal to y minus 1. So 3x minus y is equal to -1. Equation 1 we have obtained. Clear guys? Right now? Now second case is what? What is the second case? The second case is saying here 1 becomes what? It becomes 1/4 when 8 is added to the denominator. 8 is added to the denominator means y plus 8 is equal to, it becomes 1/4. Again cross multiplication. So what will it is? It shall be 4x and is equal to y plus 8, or also 4x minus y is equal to 8. Equation 2. The two equation we have achieved here. And obviously you can solve here this simply. It's a single y, it's a single y. So subtract this equation, you will obtain here y will be eliminated. Is that clear guys? So these two questions I gave as home assignment, and I hope you would have done all these questions. You all had done, I think. Clear? Right? So now the question number what? Third, I'm telling this. What the third question is saying here? And what is the method of solving the third question? Is that clear guys? So method of solving the third question I'm telling you. It's very simple, it is. Third question. What the third question is saying here? Yes scored 40 marks. Yes scored 40 marks in the test, getting 3 marks for each right and losing 1 mark for wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each correct answer, then yes would have scored 50. Right now this is condition given here that if this were what, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer, means it's giving here yes scored 40 marks. This is a conditional, it is clear. So see the last line first. Okay, how many questions were there in the test? How many questions were there? So obviously total questions so many are there. So the questions are here, wrong and right are there all together. Okay, wrong and right question he has done. So all together is there, x and y questions are here unknown. So what is the suppositions are, please tell me. So our supposition can be done as what? What your first line will be here, please tell me. So your line can be written as a solution number third. So you will suppose let the question, okay, the correct question correct question means correct question done by us, correct question. They let the number of question done corrected, number of questions done by the yes which are corrected, then what will here? It is x. Okay, and the wrong questions are here. Wrong questions, they are y. So how many total questions are all together, x and y? And what the question saying here? Yes scored 40 marks, and how the marks are given, I'm telling you. For correct he will each marks suppose 3 into x. It is for the, this is the total marks for the correct, and losing one mark for each wrong answer means obviously 1 into y. Number of wrong question marks in 1 is equal to here this. So this is the total marks obtained here. So what is the total marks obtained by any student? Correct question he has attempted x, and each marks for the correct is, so total mark awarded for correct is 3x, but he has to he is to be deducted the questions marks for the wrong question attempted. Clear? Question attempted wrongly. What will here please? The first case is, what is that here? So first case is, yes, scored 4 marks, 40 marks, 40 marks, and for dot 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 you will write this one. So this is to be converted as what here? This to be converted as this. So is 3 marks for correct. So it's a 3x and minus, okay, and next is 1 marks, means y into 1 is equal to how much marks here? 40. So the equation can be corrected as 3x minus y into 40. This is first equation. What the second case? What is the second case? The second case, getting 3 marks, 3 marks is completed. Had 4 marks been awarded, 4 marks, had 4 marks been awarded, that is 4 marks been awarded and 2 marks been deducted, that is what here? 4 into x minus 2 marks, 2 into y is equal to how much marks? 50 marks he got. Is that clear? This is the second case is coming. Can it be simplified further? Yeah, it's a 4, it's 2, and it's a, so they have common 2 in each. So it shall be 2x and y is equal to 25. This is equation number 2. Now the 2 equations are before you. Equation 1, you may say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And solving these equations, you can obtain the right answer for x and y. Is that clear? Your x and y will be your, yes, correct marks, number of correct question, number of wrong questions. Okay. Wrong question means the question wrongly attempted. Questions are not wrong here. Clear? So what is that? 3x minus y 40 and 2x minus y. So which method you will employ to solve? We will use here the elimination method. Okay. If you will subtract second equation from first, then y will be eliminated. 3x minus 2x is 40 minus 25. How much is this? 15. So x is 15 coming here. Can you solve this or not? Yes, any method you can employ here to solve. Is that clear, guys? Now see the next. What the next question is saying here. Place A. This I am talking about. Okay, guys. Place A. What is that is saying? Please understand this question. Place A and B, place A and B 100 kilometer apart on a highway. Okay, suppose this is highway. Okay, this is highway, and here 100 kilometer distant points are here. It's point A, it's point B. These are 100 kilometer. Okay, so one car start from A, one car starting from here. From this point, one car is starting here. Okay, one car is starting here. Okay, one car starting from here, the other car is starting from here. Okay, one car starting from here, the other car starting from here. Clear? So but it's not giving a well direction, in the same direction or opposite direction. Another car start, if the car travel in the same direction, so this would be the case, same direction at different speed. Obviously it's a speed in there. So they meet in 5 hours. If this car will meet in 5 hours, means somewhere else, they suppose they will meet at here, they will meet here, here they will meet here. So obviously what does this conclude here? Which car is moving faster? Obviously the back car is moving faster here. Clear guys? The back car would move faster than this. So in 5 hours, okay, they will meet in 5 hours. Okay guys, right now. So we can speak here, it has to travel this will go in this direction. So the distance would be there. You just think up a situation here what I'm trying to. Okay, I'm telling this how this is happening. This is, we can speak here, this is the distance traveled here. Suppose they meet at here. Okay, so we can speak here, this is the distance traveled by the car A. So it's a speed whatever, suppose speed x and 5 hours it travels. So this is the 5x distance here. And the car B, where the car B? Car B has traveled this distance here. You may see this distance car has been traveled. So it's what here? 5 into y, because the time, the distance is time into speed. Time is 5 hour and speed is y. So this is 5y is the distance, 5x is the distance. So what case can be given here? This. So obviously this whole distance from here to here is 5x, this whole distance here is 5y. So this, what the red distance is 100. So one equation can be constituted is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. This one case can be resolved. Clear guys, right now? So how can we write down this as? Very simple it is. First we'll suppose here let the speed of the car was. Okay, the method of writing solution will be there. Here we'll write down let the speed of okay car A x kilometer per hour, okay, and speed of car B. What the speed of car B? Y kilometer per hour. Clear? So therefore what the first case is? Tell me the first case. So the first case is car A, okay, car A starts from A dot. All the language you will not write, all the statement you will not write. Okay, so what the first case? You just understand, it's point A, it's point B. Suppose they meet at C, here C. So obviously this distance is traveled by x, so it's a 5x, and this distance is traveled by y, so it's a 5y. What this distance is? It's 100 here. So what the case is? X, 5 of x minus 5 of y is equal to 100. So I think 5y is common, 5 common. X minus y is equal to 20. Equation 1. Is that clear? Right now? Now second case. What the second case? The second car, they move in opposite direction. Car moves in opposite direction. Cars moves in opposite direction. Okay, you will write down here. So x opposite direction, what the case will be there? This is the distance here. It's A, it's B. It will move in this direction, it will move in this direction. Suppose they meet at C here. So this distance is traveled by, how much time they are taking to meet? 1 hour, I think. Please wrote question. 1 hour they meet it, okay? They travel toward each other, they meet in 1 hour. Means the distance in 1 hour means 1 into x. The distance is 1 hour means y into, clear? So what the total distance is? X plus y. The distance traveled by both is 100. It's a second. Clear? X minus y is equal to 20, x plus y is equal to 100. The two equation before you. Now can you solve this equation here? I'm waiting for you to solve this equation. Please do solve within a minute. Okay, I'm waiting for you to solve. Okay guys, do solve. And you all clear appearing that I think this is appearing clearly to you that you have to find out, you have to use here the method elimination. Okay, single y, both equations to be added here. Do solve please. Yes. Have you solved these questions here? I think what answers is the both equation you have added, y eliminated, 2 times x and 20 plus 100, 120, 2x is equal to 120, x is equal to 120 by 2, that is 60. X is coming 60 and y is coming what? Y is coming 40. 40 and 60 is there, okay? So speed of both car is 60 and 40. Have you found answer here? I think you all would have seen here. The method of solving actually the question is to, yes, map this. Mapping of the question is very important here. Is that clear, guys? Now look the question next. Question number 5th of that. What the question 5th is saying here? Please read the question 5th. That is what saying in the question number 5th, okay? Question number 5th. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit. Means it's talking about area of rectangle. Okay, we are going to solve the questions of area of a rectangle. Obviously, how the area of rectangle is to be found out? Area of rectangle is found out by using length into breadth. Okay, if its length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit, means on reducing length and breadth, the square gets reduced, the area gets reduced 9. Okay, the two cases for area given here. So what the last line you may see? The last line is find a dimension of the rectangle. What does this mean, dimension of rectangle? The meaning of dimension is length and breadth. Is that clear? So it's very simple to find out length and breadth. Okay, I'm telling this. Length and breadth. This question is to be solved here. Okay, length. So what you will suppose here, this let solution technique. Solution number 5th. Let the length is what here, x, and the breadth is what here, breadth is y, you have suppose. Therefore what shall be area here? So area will be length into breadth, that is what here, x into y. So it's talking about this type of rectangle is there, you just have to know this type of rectangle is there, its length or its breadth. What the first case is saying? First case is area gets reduced 9. Area gets reduced by 9. Reduced by 9 furthermore. So means area gets reduced by, so length, obviously length into breadth is equal to area. So area is a xy minus 9. When length is reduced by 5 and breadth by increased by 3. Reduced by means x minus 5. Increased by means y plus 3. Now to solve this expression, x introduces xy and 3x and 5y and 15 is equal to xy minus 9. So xy cancel. It shall be what? 3x minus 5y. 15 is to be transferred here. Minus 10, 15. 6. 3x 5y. Equation 1. The equation 1 is there. 3x minus 5y. Clear? What the second case? Read the second case. Increase length by 3 and decrease breadth by 2. Increase length x plus 3. Decrease breadth by 2. Decrease breadth by 2. Area increase by 67. Area increase by 67. Like this. Clear? Now solve this again. xy n is 2x 3y 3 2 are 6 xy 67. Again, what is the meaning of solving mathematical in that? Obviously if any equations occurring means the things which are either side occurring same can be cancelled here. means the expression which is appearing longer sum. So obviously the terms to be cancelled from either side. This is simplification. 2x plus 3y and transfer to the right side. 67 plus 6. What is this? It's the 73 and minus 2 of x plus 3y, equation number 2. Now we have made the two equations. We have to solve them. Please, 67 increase by 67. Okay, right now increase by 67. Now solve this. Solving equation 1 and 2. Which method you will employ to solve? Here 5y, okay, and here is 3y. Obviously different coefficients are there. Here is 3x and here is 2. So which you want to eliminate? Obviously x will eliminate here. So command equation 1, if this is 2 multiplied by 2, so 6 will become, or this is multiplied by 3, then 6 becomes here. So equation 1 multiplied by 2 plus equation 2 multiplied by 3. So it shall be 6 of x and 2 5s are 10 of y and 2 6 are 12. And here 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9y is equal to 3 9 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Check this again. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and 2 12. Okay, but we are adding them. Okay, so adding sign will not change here. Clear? Sign will not change. 219 3 7 21. Okay, now it's cancel here. Minus what will it is? 19y is equal to their minus or plus. So their sum is what coming? 211 3 and 2. So can they be cancelled here? This you check this, what question is saying here. For if we increase the length by 3, increase length by 3, increase length by 3, okay, and decrease the breadth by 2, right? So area will decrease, what the saying here, and then area increase by 67. Area increase by 67. So xy minus 2x, 3y, 3 2s are 6. So it's what here, xy cancel, minus 2x plus 3y, 6 is to be transferred here, 67. 6 and 67, what will it is? Their sum will be here, 67 plus 6, 73. Obviously 73 will be there. Increase by 67. Clear? Now 73 is there. So 2x. This is second equation. I am checking the equation whether wrong or right here. Our first is what? 9 square unit. 9 square unit. Okay, 9 is increase or decrease? Reduce by 9 square unit. Okay. Length 5. Okay. Reduce 5 and increased 3. Reduce 5, increase 3, decrease 9. Okay. So xy correct and 3x correct, minus 5y correct and 15 correct. Okay, so minus 9 15 here, plus 6 is coming. Okay, and 3x minus 5, this equation is also correct. The equation is also correct, minus 19y. So can it be cancelled here? This, tell please, what is it coming here? 3x minus 5y is equal to 6 and 6x here. So here you may see the coefficient 3x minus 5y is equal to 6, and the second equation is this 2x. So we are making the equation, so we have multiplied this by 2 and we have multiplied by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Correct it is. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 7 21. It is also correct here. So adding them also, it's minus 19, or what's coming here? This 231. So negative 231 is coming here. Is it to be cancelled further? Y is equal to 19, 1 is 19, what's left here? 4. So there no whole division is there. When the whole division is coming, it means there could be something wrong here. So you need to repeat the question, check the questions again here. Okay guys, right now I'm telling this again. Okay, very carefully is to be done this. Okay, area rectangle gets reduced by 9. Okay, so it means x y minus 9 if length reduced by x minus 5, okay, and area increased by y plus 3, first case y plus 3, it is correct, it is. Area is this xy, x into y is equal to xy, this is area. Xy minus 5 plus 3, xy cancels. First equation is correct. Three x minus 5y is equal to 6. The first equation is correct. Second equation is to be checked carefully. If we increase length by 3, this is, and breadth, increase length by 3 and breadth by 2, means we have not to reduce the breadth, we also have increased this. So what is coming this? Xy cancel, so it shall be plus, clear? So it shall be minus, right now. So 3y, here the 2x plus will here, plus will here, minus will here, a real world 61 will come here, 61 will occur here, positive. So the second equation what coming here? It's a 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. This is the equation second. Now we checked, we catch the fault where the best. Okay, now this equation is to be reconstructed, the command is to be changed here. What is that? So obviously it's a 3, so here the sign is there, you may see it's positive or it's a positive, it's a negative or it's negative. So we'll eliminate what? Y we can eliminate. Okay, so for eliminating y, what the command will be? The command will be changed here for eliminating y. So your command will be, I'm telling this, by equation first, equation 1 multiply by 3 minus or plus equation 2 multiply by 5. So it shall be what? 2 multiplied by 3 and multiply by 5. So 3 3s are 9x and 3 5s are 15y, 3 6 are 18. Or here 5 2s are 10x and 15y, and 5 6 are 30. 5 1 is 5. So y cancels and it's a 19x, or it shall be what? 311. Okay, need to cancel is 9x, so implies that x is equal to 311 by 19. So 19 1 is 19, what's left here? 19 1 and 19, what's left here, tell please? 2 left here, or 22, what's left? 12 left here, 121. So again is there mistake in here, this 305 is coming there. So with the 5 we are multiplying, and subtraction we are doing this, addition we are doing, subtraction we are doing. So for the subtraction, what we'll do? 61. (9x). I'm just letting, wait a minute please, there's a lot of wrong thing else. Okay, complexity is being created, difference are there, I'm telling this, wait a minute please. Now yeah, okay, look this please, what is it saying? Area reduced by 9. So first equation is what? Means length 3 unit and breadth reduced by 5 unit. case first, length reduced by 5, okay, and breadth increased by 3. Is equal to xy 9, xy 3x 5y 15 is equal to xy minus 9. It cancels. 3x minus 5y minus 15 minus 9. 3x 5y minus 9 plus 15. So it shall be 6. Equation 1. Second case, area reduced or increased by 67. If length increased by 3 and breadth increased by 2, 3 and it's 2. It's xy 2x 3y 6 is equal to xy 67 2x 3y 61 2x 3y equation 2. Now this is negative, this is positive, so why we will eliminate? It's to be multiplied by 3, so become 15. It's multiplied by 5, so become 15. So your command will be by equation 1 multiplied by 3 plus equation second multiplied by 5. So multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9x, 3 5s are 15y, 3 6 are 18, and again 5 2s are 10x, 5 3s are 15y, 5 1 is 5, 5 6 are 30, and positive, so it's cancels. It's a 19x is equal to 323. So x is equal to there is pen is overwriting here, it's 19. 323 divided by 19. So 19 1 is 19. What's left here? 11, or some more left here, 13 left here, 13. Clear? And again 13. So 19 1 is, and 17 is there, is x. So what is coming? X 17. You check the division here. Okay, so x is equal to 17 in equation first or second you can put here. What is the first equation? That is this here, 3x minus 2y. So 3 into 17 minus 2y is equal to 6, and solving this we can obtain the value of y. Is that clear, guys? So this is all together, means any equation is to be used here. Clear, guys? Well understood you? So any method you will employ here, the most commonly likely method is elimination method. Now with the next day we'll solve here equations of reducible form, means we'll solve again the equation but reducible form, means first we need to simplify them. Is that clear? However, I am giving you some questions and solutions here. Before you that, you will solve this question. Okay, see example number 70 you will try in yourself, and 18 you will try yourself. Okay, I will tell this question. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.